Hey there friends, I'm thrilled to share with you my nightly routine for maximum relaxation. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. The key to winding down for the night is to create a cozy environment that promotes relaxation. Start by turning off your overhead lights and dimming the room lights. This simple step can work wonders on your mind and body, helping you feel more at ease. Next, consider using a sleep aid or an essential oil diffuser to fill your space with calming scents. I personally love lavender and chamomile as they help me drift off into dreamland effortlessly. Now, it's time to take care of any last-minute business. This could be taking a quick bathroom break, brushing your teeth, or putting on your pajamas and slippers. Once you're all set, jump into bed and get comfy by pulling your covers up over yourself. Remember to turn off any devices an hour before hitting the sack. I know it can be tempting to scroll through your phone or watch one more episode on Netflix. But trust me, you'll thank yourself in the morning for not staying up too late. And there you have it, my nightly routine for maximum relaxation. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more helpful tips and advice. Sweet dreams!